What's the meaning of comet? Comet. Comet.
Comet. Comet. A comet is a small celestial body made up of ice, dust, and rock that orbits the Sun. As comets approach the Sun, they heat up and release gas and dust, forming a glowing coma around the nucleus. This creates a spectacular tail that can be visible from Earth. Comets are believed to be leftovers from the formation of the solar system, and studying their composition and behavior can provide insights into the early days of our planetary system. Some comets have even been known to collide with planets, causing significant changes to their environments.